question typed into the search bar. The world connects through lines and stars. Each little link a silent voice telling the web I made this choice. Crawling, indexing, ranking the flow. But that's not all you need to know. The magic lies not in the plan, but in the jump, that one-off chance. Leave a little space in your day. Let your thoughts wander, drift away. 85 keeps the path in view, but 15 leads to something new. A tiny leap, a world unlocked for you. Google's page rank found its spark in random steps through light and dark. 15% a curious mind turn rigid math into gold refined. Netflix brings you shows you'd never choose. 3M found Post-its in unused glue. Farmers plant a different seed to keep the balance nature needs. Leave a little space in your day. Let the silence softly play. 85 is the life you know. 15's where your wild thoughts go. A tiny leap and suddenly you grow. One day a week, one step aside. Try something new and let it ride. The change you seek might start so small, but it could be the start of all. Leave a little space, don't rush the rule. Let the quiet become your tool. 15%, it's how we thrive in